While you sleep, your muscles are quietly dying, up to 8% every decade. But tonight, one simple food choice can flip the switch and turn your bed into a muscle-building factory. Welcome to Wellness Unfolds, where we explore the fascinating science of aging gracefully and maintaining your strength through proper nutrition choices. Did you know that as we age, our bodies can surprisingly lose up to 8% of muscle mass every decade? This silent process often accelerates during the night, leaving many people weaker and more prone to injury as the years pass. However, medical experts have identified a powerful strategy to counteract this natural decline by fueling your body correctly before you sleep. Today, we will reveal 8 golden foods that scientifically stimulate muscle protein synthesis overnight, turning sleep into a muscle-building session. Starting our countdown at number 8 is cottage cheese, a humble dairy product that acts as a powerhouse for nighttime recovery. This food is incredibly rich in casein protein, a unique type of protein that digests very slowly within the human body. Because it breaks down slowly, cottage cheese provides a steady stream of vital amino acids to your muscles for several hours. This continuous supply prevents muscle breakdown during the 6 to 8 hours of fasting that occurs naturally while you are asleep. Just one small bowl before bed can keep your metabolic fire burning and ensure your muscles have the building blocks needed. Moving to number 7, we have hard-boiled eggs, one of the most complete and bioavailable protein sources on the planet. Eggs are considered the gold standard for protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids required for optimal human health. Crucially, eggs are rich in leucine, the primary amino acid responsible for flipping the genetic switch that activates muscle tissue growth. For older adults, getting enough leucine is absolutely critical to overcome the body's natural resistance to building new muscle tissue signals. Preparing a couple of boiled eggs in advance makes for an easy, convenient snack that safeguards your muscles throughout the night. At number 6, we combine 2 powerful ingredients: tuna and olive oil. A perfect blend of lean protein and healthy fats. Tuna provides high-quality protein, while the healthy fats from olive oil help to slow down the digestion process even further. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation, which is often a major hidden cause of muscle loss in seniors. By lowering systemic inflammation, you create a better internal environment for your body to repair tissues while you are sleeping soundly. A small serving of this combination ensures you get protein for synthesis and fats for sustained release without feeling too heavy. Number 5 is Greek yogurt, a creamy and delicious option that offers double the protein content of regular traditional yogurt varieties. Like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt is rich in slow-digesting casein, making it another excellent choice for overnight muscle protection and recovery. It is also loaded with calcium, which is essential not just for bone density, but also for proper muscle contraction function. The probiotics found in Greek yogurt support gut health, ensuring that your body efficiently absorbs all the nutrients from your diet. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars that might disrupt your sleep quality or spike your blood sugar levels. Coming in at number 4 is warm milk with turmeric, a traditional remedy that has been used for centuries to heal. Milk provides the necessary protein foundation, while turmeric contains curcumin, a potent compound known for its incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce joint pain and stiffness, which are common complaints that often prevent seniors from staying active and exercising. By soothing your joints overnight, this drink prepares you for better movement and more effective physical activity the very next morning. Don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper, which significantly increases the absorption of curcumin into your body's system. Number 3 on our list is almond butter, a nutrient-dense superfood that is packed with healthy fats, magnesium, and vitamin E. The high magnesium content acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to calm your nervous system and prepare you for sleep. Meanwhile, vitamin E serves as a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscle membranes from oxidative damage and age-related cellular deterioration. Almond butter also helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing hunger pangs that might wake you up early. A tablespoon before bed provides a perfect balance of nutrients to support muscle maintenance while you drift into a deep sleep. At number 2, we have tart cherry juice, a drink that has gained massive popularity among athletes and researchers alike. This juice is loaded with anthocyanins, potent compounds that drastically reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after daily activities or exercise. More importantly, tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. By improving sleep quality, you allow your body to release maximal amounts of growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair. Drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice can significantly enhance both your recovery speed and the quality of your rest. Finally, at number 1, the most effective tool for muscle preservation is the whey protein shake, the champion of muscle building. Whey protein is superior because it has the highest biological value and absorption rate of any protein source available today. It rapidly floods your bloodstream with essential amino acids, ensuring that your muscles get immediate support exactly when they need it. Its incredibly high leucine content helps elderly bodies overcome anabolic resistance, effectively forcing the muscles to start the rebuilding process. While often associated with bodybuilders, whey protein is actually a critical supplement for seniors looking to maintain independence and mobility. Consistent use of whey protein can make a measurable difference in maintaining muscle mass and preventing frailty as you get older. Incorporating these 8 foods into your nightly routine can be a game changer for your long-term health and physical vitality. Remember, consistency is key. Choose the option that fits your taste and lifestyle best to ensure you stick with it. Protecting your muscle mass is not just about strength. It is about maintaining your freedom to move and enjoy life. By fueling your body before sleep, you turn the passive time of rest into an active time of rejuvenation and repair. Whether you choose the slow-release power of cottage cheese or the complete protein profile of boiled eggs, you are winning. Perhaps the healthy fats in tuna or the calcium-rich creaminess of Greek yogurt appeals more to your personal evening palate. Don't forget the soothing anti-inflammatory benefits of golden turmeric milk or the muscle-relaxing magnesium found in delicious almond butter. And for targeted results, consider the sleep-enhancing tart cherry juice or the rapid muscle-building efficiency of a whey protein shake. It is never too late to start caring for your muscles. Small changes tonight can lead to significant strength tomorrow. Try experimenting with these different foods to see which one makes you feel the most rested and energized the next day. Your health is an investment that pays dividends not just to you, but to the loved ones you share life with. Embrace these nutritional tools to fight back against muscle loss and claim the active, vibrant lifestyle that you truly deserve. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching Wellness Unfolds. Subscribe now for more nutritional secrets that transform your health. See you in the next video. We have covered a lot today, but remember that nighttime nutrition is a pillar of health that is often overlooked. The difference between frailty and strength often lies in the small, consistent choices we make regarding our diet every single day. Combine these nutritional tips with regular light exercise for the ultimate defense against the aging process and muscle deterioration. Also, ensure you are staying well hydrated throughout the day, as water is the medium in which all these metabolic processes occur. Next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to add a few of these golden items to your cart. These bedtime snacks work best when they are part of a balanced diet, rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Consult with your healthcare provider before making major changes, especially if you have specific dietary restrictions or chronic health conditions. Sleep is the foundation of health, and nutrition is the fuel that powers the repair work your body does every night. Maintain your muscle, maintain your mobility, and you will maintain your joy for life well into your golden years. Strength is not just for the young. It is a vital resource that we must cultivate and protect as we age. Cottage cheese, eggs, tuna, yogurt, turmeric milk, almond butter, tart cherries, and whey protein are your allies in this journey. Which of these 8 superfoods will you try adding to your nightly routine first? Let us know in the comments below. Join our community of health-conscious individuals who are taking proactive steps to live longer, stronger, and happier lives every day. Wellness Unfolds is dedicated to bringing you the latest science-backed health tips. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on longevity. Don't stop here. Click on one of the videos on your screen now to continue your journey to optimal wellness. Goodbye.